If you want to start a successful YouTube channel in 2026, but don't want to show your face, then this video is exactly what you need. In today's digital world, YouTube has become one of the most powerful income sources, but at the same time, many creators are struggling because of policy changes, copyright issues, and lack of clear direction. In fact, recently a lot of channels got deleted or demonetized, and even experienced creators faced strikes and couldn't upload for months. That's why choosing the right and safe niche is more important than ever. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best faceless YouTube channel ideas that are not only safe, but also highly profitable and scalable in the long term. Now let's first understand why faceless channels are becoming so popular. The truth is, not everyone is comfortable in front of the camera. Many people feel shy, some don't have the confidence, and others simply want to keep their identity private. There are also people like government employees or professionals who don't want to reveal their face online. So, does that mean they can't succeed on YouTube? Absolutely not. In fact, faceless channels are one of the fastest growing categories right now. With the help of AI tools, stock images, voice generators, and smart editing, you can build a powerful channel without ever showing your face. Another big advantage of these channels is that you are not limited to just one income source. Most beginners think YouTube income means only AdSense, but that's not true. You can earn through multiple streams like affiliate marketing, brand deals, digital products, and even automation. And the best part is, many of these methods work perfectly with faceless content. So now let's talk about some powerful niche ideas that you can start today. The first idea is event fails and highlights. People love watching unexpected moments, funny incidents, and shocking clips from events. These videos get high engagement because they trigger emotions like surprise and humor. But here's an important tip. Don't just repost clips. Always add your own commentary. This makes your content original and also protects you from copyright issues. Also, if you target international content, especially from countries like the USA, your RPM and earnings can be significantly higher. The second idea is creating videos based on lessons from books. Instead of making full book summaries, which are already very common, you can focus on top lessons for popular books. For example, top 10 lessons from a best-selling book. This format is easier to consume and performs better. You can use AI tools to generate scripts, add voiceover, and create simple visual videos. On top of that, you can also add affiliate links for those books, which creates an extra income stream along with AdSense. The third idea is mysterious facts, especially related to international topics. People are naturally curious and love exploring unknown or hidden information. Topics like secret files, unexplained events, or global mysteries attract massive attention. These videos can go viral quickly if presented well. You just need good storytelling, engaging scripts, and relevant visuals. And again, targeting international audiences increases your earning potential. Next is a very unique and underrated niche, prayer or spiritual content. This type of content has a huge and loyal audience. Especially if you target international viewers like Christian prayers, you can build a strong channel. You can even run 24/7 live streams, which helps your channel grow faster and stay in recommendations. You don't need a face, just simple visuals, text, and AI voice. But consistency is key here. You need to upload regularly for at least a few months to see results. Another powerful idea is car evolution videos. People love nostalgia and transformation content. You can show how a car model has changed over the years, from old versions to modern designs. With AI tools, you can easily convert images into smooth transition videos. This type of content is visually satisfying and has a high chance of going viral, especially if you target the right audience. Moving forward, product-based content is also a great opportunity. You can create videos showing interesting products from platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or Meesho without showing your face. Just use your hands to demonstrate the product. These videos work extremely well, especially in short-form content. And the biggest advantage is affiliate income. If someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Now let's talk about one of the fastest growing niches, AI tools. AI is still in its early stage, but it's growing very fast. You can create videos explaining how different AI tools work, how people can use them, and which ones are worth buying. The audience in this niche has high intent, meaning they're ready to take action and even spend money. This makes affiliate income very strong in this category, along with AdSense. Another interesting niche is luxury lifestyle content. People love watching expensive things like luxury cars, watches, mansions, and private jets. Even if they can't afford it, they enjoy seeing it. This niche attracts premium advertisers, which means higher CPM and better earnings. You can easily create this content using images and videos from official websites and add your own voiceover explanation. And finally, car comparison channels. This is a very practical and growing niche, especially with the rise of electric vehicles. People always research before buying a car. They compare features, price, performance, and value for money. You can create simple comparison videos that help viewers make decisions. This type of content works well in both short and long formats and has long-term demand. Now, before you jump into creating content, remember one important thing. Don't try everything at once. Choose one niche that matches your interest and stick to it. Think long-term. You're not building a channel for just 1 month. You're building it for the next 5 to 10 years. Stay consistent, keep learning, and improve your content step by step. Also, understand that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Every successful creator you see today started from zero and went through struggles. The difference is they didn't quit. So if you're serious about building a YouTube channel in 2026, start now, stay consistent, and focus on value. And trust me, with the right strategy and patience, you can build a successful faceless YouTube channel and generate a strong income, even without showing your face. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you're someone who wants to build wealth through smart hard work, powerful habits, passive income ideas, a little bit of luck, and even the guidance of astrological science, then you're in the right place. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue this journey of becoming rich and successful with us, then please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new video. Also, drop a comment below and let me know. What topic do you want me to cover in the next video? And most importantly, right now, look at your phone or computer clock and comment your current angel number. The exact time you see right now, for example, 11:11, 22:22, 3:33, etc. I personally read every comment and will reply telling you exactly what that angel number means for your money, success, and future. Thank you again for being part of this community. Keep working hard, stay consistent, and let the universe support you on your path to wealth. See you in the next video. God bless you.